And then so yatna say Kent Cap Cafe Shop. Adishie yesan edenchia shronko ene de ema mo yatna say de na enkomo a wani gye ho na me so mani gye ho ne so yemfa foforo enso mo Akoma 87.9 FM na fe Akoma TV YouTube. Make am for Kent Cap Cafe Shop. Edi atro say Kumasi City Mall inside wa eba ne say fries, burgers, cheese, sandwich, ahodo afei anopa breakfast or cafe. Edi ti ahodo no abomaden bra. Woni adofo na metena se baabi a eho efe mo betumi atena se atwe nkomo na mo asa di enuane amoni eje ho omadama ena won mama e baabi atena se won koma wani je ho ne yemfa ensomo numbers no etwagu e wo screen so ntia da woro ma ya no afa na woni omatoa enkomodie no eso medei ama Serwaah Sarpong na enne yenya one of your favorite mi ankasa de my favorite TikToker ya ene no e ba betwe nkomo ne TikTok mo na wo so Wamo na ma yehu niema ekoso ewo ewiase no nti ye ba ne na betwe nkomo na wo so ahunu de etwam ama Pokuaa Memeneda ba edi ne bebre wo ho ono atena se de aka kire nyina no wo bebo e de akire yen sweetheart e ma wakwaba
video so ma ya faka ho se wo basa ne me mo hu sa nya TikTok ke wo ba ne me a wo trend me kaka Ode me nam video mo
eze akwa sini wura eze de akwa we do ya sini wura uru sa ha ni nyina ye nti ya ni ama Pokuaa Memeneda ba na edi ne ba ku bi o ya me hu so mota abopa olaski eno efri hen
ye shaka ke mo
olaski di free hen fa
edi ya shaka me nyawo SHS
okay
yeah SHS na me ni we na me pehuro pa like what ba me huru it's a day when me yeah senka eto be twa ba me anko
okay
so I was sleeping in class and madam bia o trade and me had drink to obi aba teacher ni bia ho bi sasa me woy me tap e chire so tena pa
okay
enti oroma no say get you way no so on say watch study na confusion ba bia o boom yo so friend na say your board no so me nka me so na me so last
oh
say ni free say free ni pie free man
it's not that word and
I don't know
oh
say free one on say upe huru sa no so dey ya senko munya me suffering so na
last kine kai
it
is school by 70 kai
but that time JHS asem kran na making
okay it's a moment no fair na no mo for last wow would you angasa the saying
get you ama Pokuaa
okay so Memeneda ba
Saturday born
okay
no
okay literally means Saturday born
okay. Yeah Memeneda ba Saturday born na me pese me yesron ko ewo industry ni ma na se ne yesron ko bibia me yemu intimidate no obi ade get you obi ade ama obi ade Pokuaa inti na be ma me de na yesron ko okay Saturday born Memeneda ba
okay
ene ma menye ne Memeneda ba
e we so de edem
original obi oso de bibia ogwa ade asa no me kwa me
original eti ya pese ehu unipa ba ya wo ye ni mo Memeneda ba TikTok wo ya de pa content ne de nyame adom bebre na udi guo ye yi TikTok no eto nche pese ehu wo fihi na wa ba kwasem kakra enesen
okay me free kumawu
okay
and I me papa free say the career kwan so
okay
yeah iti me be call school atonso me ho na me start na me di JHS so and I me call SHS so Amaz girls if you just sorry Amaz girls ho na me call SHS iti after that na me say mami be eke news or media news na me penase mo pa in fact I have a lot of people who me remote that me follow them
okay
but makoye Kumasi girl ya me wo Kumasi di o se me hwe obi na me sua no nti obi a wo de esna ni so pese wo yi nti me dwuma me no pese me ye soldier ene sentroni nti ma o hwe ni port he ya so pese ye soldier ni ya and again no na this was she nti no so ye try bia ko koye ni bia che say am fan no se me de me ni chere essential juma
okay
nti na me ma me bia me looking up to ene Kumasi ha de obone ho modern wa jini de pa dem se afọ ko na so na timi
oh wow wow
yes
credentials in your media
yes
oh wow
okay nti no me di na nam no so na me so me call media school kakran na che say me nti apart from TikTok I'm also a presenter.
Okay.
Okay.
Since you can say presenter stations, they are here.
Oh, my year, Kumasia, my year, Juma, Osecrom TV, Tabia TV, Spiritus TV, Kumasi Online. Fat a lot.
Okay. And TikTok, no bread, TikTok, boom.
TikTok, no. COVID time nearby, and I said, man, shut down family one shame.
Okay.
Yeah, because now me say app be by a friend a TikTok and for a year the mobile to me ayo, but now me share them who easy.
Okay.
It's a chassis no. Me download it via now on my phone so. And a videos now so they me start here actually. Me start say me Nsem kwa me cancel my essay. Actually, but now me the two WhatsApp status on one. And the TikTok now I download it for 3 months. I mean who the me day into 2021. And I me post video too. Na that time when I said TV so bibia na ebie fuaja to me bia na ebie fuaja na say hey say the bibia na ebie fuaja to me there Ebeka can nipa kura na wa Ebeka said this human being is vetted and approved by the FDA.
Oh wow.
And I'm the two it's muya na safa.
Okay, like your very first video.
That's my very first video.
Okay.
Oh, apart from that I mean TikTok one and no yeah my very first video.
Okay, yes, your very first video on TikTok.
Okay. I call it that was that video na me din kan ye bia me say obi o hono ma wo post ya de wo status instead so be kasa me patch please send it to me was the send what ma ho print kura was the send na one e go to one nua ma wo okay and am here nya so obi atama to wa ma papa no e kwama ni page wo kura me na for me na from and then a friend TikTok no video be to wa ma e what na wa won create bi a friend of mine be Josephine. Okay, yeah yeah be better me go video. Thank you so much dear on it I have me there bia na offer me baby girl download the TikTok ni bi na ebe wo on am so okay and I be download it the videos that me dey kan ye bia but no na me dey to TikTok a e blow yi okay ti no achi no mama me ye bia wo dey to wa na asenko and I'm yes okay message san the way me see am ade ni ti me in English na English no so no me mo say the me gugwa no so then you please come see praise okay sorry Mrs. Solly I was trying that yes a typical Kumasi okay and also amfa na say and my menya like let me be me I'm a Pokuaa na me kasa de me to me name me content am wo na yenhwe then so start. Wow, so how long has it been? 21 I'm starting so we are in 23 right? Yes, I think 3 years. Wow. See, yanko and central jumani mu kakra. Wouldn't can ra and central mu. And sana kakra would ko ra TikTok. But you say what I say and central na say the TikTok na pacho me da so ye. Eti. Ene no say na obi hu se me ye adwuma oba bi otimi ka say. We started TikTok na me dey run central jumani. Okay. We started central jumana say me kind na say my ye bia entertainment shows near the day. Even if you go to YouTube, you will see some of my presentations there. Okay. Yes. Ma try bia and sana. Me be ra TikTok. Okay. Inti me ra TikTok na nyame adom. Enkofo hu me kakra na no chese me giants enjoy you man. Okay. Ene ya me no ka say nyama me da so ye. Okay. Eti enim ama Pokuaa Memeneda ba say o ye TikToker. O san so ye journalist, a presenter. Okay. Yenko TikTok ni mu pa. Ye hu unua mo TikTokers ni bia mo be kasa yenya sika sei obisi bitumi nya 10,000 cedis a day from TikTok ye to huge sums of money yes na tia na say kasa na ye no mo pese mo kasa ma Ghana 40 omonka da bia na me kasa ze moze minim de ya na menuanum bi as you said menuanum bi minim de ya na omoje because I used to ask myself say ada isa sika na omoka no me no sika ni hu mi anase me mo me hu modin bia se nsumenya sa sika ni bi se me kasa sika ni TikTok na me yo trofo kase pa okay na me twa ntro mama sika wo ho but amount bi all no mutimi bo me continue to say hey amount a wate a we ma show pa Casablanca se de o kan ya na bitimi kan 1 million grams billion like seriously I never call ho ni say ye TikTok live na no ye gift into odofo bi hwe now I give to me. And in fact, so what me is I don't want to say them may you are because I can't it's me you are but me try a more but and yes the enemy big canoe and talker and talker okay I say me rent be so metimi de bi atua ma bobo bia no
4-bedroom apartment and I say
eno kwa bobo anu
okay
ya preko pesa de obetimi ka se wonye adwuma TikTok na because otena ho a day a benya 5,000 6,000 I don't know they are almost here for me there me honesa in kakra and apart from yenya adverts so kakra
okay
for who yembo e de omunye mabasa yembo ho de roma o eno so utimi enya sika ewo ho nti o mama atro mo kan de mama me ni ba bi omukonya fi
so what is say wo nuanom bis e keka sa asem na ya na mo ankasa say TikTokers are more competition sort of no ya na the pressure mama
oh me ankasa ma ko pia me da ba ne de minima de a ewia so bi betimi aya ma menya pressure matra ho matra pressure kra
okay
and na me wo mu bi ntimi nim de resistant me hu ni say afoforo no and no mo pese bi o mo de pressure no to wo mo so ma me ama pokia de emfa me
okay
bibia ni wo ewia ade bia me wo bia me ni so enti say me nu na me wo ho na o sese na wunya na me nya sa de bi nya na me ni so say ma me pressure
okay ya share wo content a wo de to a me de ya na me ni ta je ho pa ya yi ase de no ade ate wo ko yi ase jollof ho eyi a wo be kwa ya mfra wo ni ade no wo ye kumase ni nti na wo ta ye eyi ase content and so content then inspire your content
okay me nyase me ye kumase ni nti a am some predia say ye yi o ba bia nti enya because of ye American girl nti a but me try one video be one thing about TikTok me say we ade ba ko saa afi o mani ma so bi be post bi o mo hwe nti me try say ma me sesa na kakra because ase na me nhyeda nya yi sa nti ma me fa baby foforo santi me fa ye na na e fa ye and I said all kind na me ye kumase ni akra nti no me nim de we ye si ye and na ne asema me ko kan ya me nya asem nso so eja American for the same media no mo nti o mo de be che e ba na yi a ye ni ma ye ya kumase ni ma ye and na mani fi nso me kwa yi asenti me hu de esisi wo ho and na no nso na me di twa
okay
nti na ma ne ko no mo hu se e accurate de akwa ne kan e no na esisi wo yi na se nti nya se ye kumase girl nti ano
okay so content dodo ni nyina no wa nkasa and out to wunya inspiration and say bia nkomodiem how does your content come about
yeah nti me na wo kasa sesi ya ka mama metimanya content
okay
yeah no kasa sesi metimanya content meti ho na makai se na interview na se ba ku bi say na kan na me dia form content yeah nti me content there me ngin free obi a ho e na me nwene ho no ho ana aba metima hu bibi kura say na ma fa ge ba ku pe wo na me ya me dia hyehyɛ the content
okay na dey na mo kind fa relationship ho na me boy bi a me ne tena ye e no ye ya na ya asem asi ya mo amabra bo mo asem na mo ton ma ya na sa ya na ye akeka
eno se mama ya na ya ganga mabra bo mo nsem nya ene nka me ne ma da wiase kenya so eno so e na e ya akeka ne de ye koso eni se mostly ye den a emba bi ejiti me ba bi so ejiti so ka kakra
but say the musika no no say ye tietie ni ye hra mu ma ye feel say mo nsem bi na mo pesa mo ton e de mai ti ya na ni nyina ye content
ni na ye content na ya bia ni ho a e ye no ba me one video bi a eno de e ye real a enye content na me create like esi ya nkasa ta video ndi esi ya nkasa na me de create content
okay
me ko SHS ba for and I ma make a sure me say they are a whole into one farming cost of mommy one of my many bomb pie mommy because many fee in our company me question just my time my chance I mean to quite impo because now be punching the mean come call that body house pass and was there be I mean for me being company when be an obi I baby and see one as of mommy say wow we are virgin wa be a pay make anymore
okay
after my question SHS one about friends my meaning say me ban so virgin there ebi ma wiase da into expect say me sorry akogina ni mobi it's come forget you about of mamre ya no sabo henya se wonim na wonya virgin na begina ha dia mtipe yo mame na so expect say me konto yo say ma sorry kwai so to we da ye virgin mame e ma
o judi pa
e ba no so twetwamwa ma chese otete mu ma o da no so kwagina ho mame just say so kwagina ho
okay
like I said, me who I saw them which was hey. At the idea, me know who are you, who I mean, you are a sinner by. Like many we are a sinner by, the man was on the wood now, then I would hear. So that content a cover up and then a raw and no quantity content is see ya. me am a rebel one create ya there can na yeah
yes I want to me uncle because now what me uncle e pay to me come no kwetire
oh yeah see actually that's of my when hang na obo na no den se me ko gina ni mu wa obeche me se menye virgin na afi o se me ma me ni pie na me ka no kwetire no ene ne e bedru fie die in fact so bro wa so obo that's what pete me so ono na de ba kwa ne ha no kwan se be hu nani mu ase me oni obi ne koye nipa kwa ne ba kwa akogina ho na me menti ba akogina ho
na sabe na wadi mfie be say
oh SHS 1 mama me person me come in fie ba na me nyini isa person me come back yeah shada and me fie
okay yenhwe ade ba kwa ekoso o TikTok ha ye ntokwa ade be kye na we anyway asesa aboa so e na apu so hwani ene obenten ya na ntokwa kan ye ekoso for views ana say ya na ntokwa kan ye ekoso ana say views ntina ya na moye ne sa
asase no na me kra me ni say ya agro because me kai say maybe me nua big TikTok e bi frame me say the page one no post here say enko bio the ensure that ni sa agro no say dey ekunu na nkofo adwem ra no so e ma me kra me ni ye bi but you say me ntimi fa dey serious nti obi a che me say agro na me ni die nti ma me nso me hu say ene omo maka no ntokwa na omo kun e ya agro no mu die kopim say drum re bia na say se me pedra sa eduabo ne ade be no me hu say ene omo ni abre ya tina first na me ka me say ya agro no mu die I mean so many previews so person go for adwin ball so mo tension but I never knew say maybe na akodru sa we
obi say Kumasi TikTokers mo I say Kumawood na enkranfo no so I say kane Gallywood any ade na am say hwe enkran TikTokers na excuse my language that's a professionalism bi wom as compared to Kumasi for what you say
a lot of omona omoye niema na enye professional omo nyina wa akra yeah
okay
omo nyina wa akra
okay
but nam say sabi brothers and ye twi no e bi enipa ne timi kan comment say hey o Kumasi but a lot of them omo mu behave sa niema na as sabi brothers and nko ye nyina omo nyina won kran but Kumasi for me share bebre and they are very cool
okay
we are doing our content we are not fighting in the lane see omo yes ani nyina nkran ho no
ye hwe enkran for me person be bo obi adi but omo ayeni omo na omo tan de brofo no eye we no ye hu says from time to time no omo ye get together say ba ko di ni birthday utim so omo nyina ka bom no ma ye video bi e omo ahyehyɛ omo Kumasi for ya na enta hu musa na ya mo ye na mo fa nko abonten
oh Kumasi for ye omo de to abonten so pa na ade a menye lucky o ho ne say omo be ye bia na me so mini Kumasi o my be 3 times kwa man ko bi pen
okay
yeah omo de to abonten pa I'm sure say ho no de so wa den dan ko
okay
omo ta ye omo ta hia pa e to abonten
se si ano wan na baka say wan ka say ye you free mu a wan na your favorite TikToker
oh my favorite TikToker there e Josie Vibes
okay
me boni din da bia because na me be a TikTok ne for na me ferry say me dey me video beto ho na me busa me ho say fine girl it say some ma ware a oba no e fine
oh yeah fine girl
lo share to say me na ase make can say me bread as answer say me ne na me ferry but me who say Juicy Vibe that na video trending as sister you so you fine pound what manya kokudro e can say we ma okọ viral ano and it shame me crying and ma me post media and Juicy Vibes there that be make say she's my favorite
okay on your favorite aside on obetimi abo another two favorites
yeah
okay
my best friend Asoya
okay
and then Ben South yeah guy be na me tan ne
video double okay ti waka Asoya no mumie no say na yonkofa ne TikTok na mo share ya na say munye mo ho dada na dem abepie TikTok
they share what SHS Amas Girls
okay
yeah Amas Girls they share na say me dey kan na me pehro nti no na me nya damfo e kan obi asem sesi ya na ni kwakọ ni boafu na afia koye me ne nkasa koye ntokwa but ono no me behu say uhu no behu bi and I will see how na so ade chia wonim sorry ka ma we dem ya sorry fa che me na ya sa kan bom nti SHS 1 that's 209 and I'm share yeah SHS 1 na the father for the sabri
okay so bread ben na ebe mu se mu mienu no mo nka mo munye cause ashase na ye wonko a but na se mo tie videos pa
it's you know after SHS na me call media school no so school so no so ye the person but she's very good when it comes to acting na why are very good into that time me kwa me training na me approaching it I say oh my yen trebi that time na me nyanka me try acting content no but how can person obey because so social media na so They were proposed didn't comfort some. I never go on Mokrana. What is I did with me? Young with yes, and nobody do what the woman in Pacroche, nobody do what will be to become a crack. Into what's now was decided with me to me be that.
Okay.
You could be becoming mechanic.
Okay.
I'm soon and yet say. And you man I have found you and old chair. I can show you because a lot of people go through. One was Michelle video, and release stress. Now you go away, now you say, but video, now my release stress. It's young mom. As I can share on my young woman for my. It's on schedule be yet. The last time we club was something to videos we did do at home, or we did my temper. I mean, fun made delay. And as a main fan that to swim, you will be at a minion. It's been in a cayenne and a panacho, so all my young chat. That's an amazing coming and I'm going to make us all not so big. Okay. Now say out here, and you started saying you can come in a Canada. Among Crophobia dreams and Antiana Michelle, David, that are made videos. Sometimes me creating content because to say we also, yes, sorry, posting. So be true. Okay. Madam said we are rabbit, what could school, Kakra fine. What definition for a celebrity every day? Okay, celebrity. Me who celebrity say legend. Obi a what baby be to what was a celebrity. Yeah. Some say any pass me see. Seven brothers and show because we be rule. But say be a celebrity be a chine be only one. Okay. You bet my body there say assume see baby. The anytime na obsess me. Am I yes sorry. When say Obi a legend you bet me a celebrity. Okay. And why now my friend say a star? Because will be a star. Okay, star and fame. Yes. Okay. I think it's the same thing. Okay. Me who is saying the same thing, star and celebrity the same thing. Yeah. Okay. Say you who had him say auntie many dia. Not just a one in the panel was it me celebrity. Okay. Because we are star baby, I will be a baby. There is this debate. Okay. As to whether TikTokers, yeah, from stars and now celebrities. With explanation, what dear mommy, who be afraid TikTokers, those that omudi wa bontin say omo stars and celebrities. They say obi cry Jimmy Shian so obi because omo star, but me before star be no mo way. They are no more omo star. But we say for we dey me dey na make come, madwen chire na make. Me madwen chire ne dey. Me who say e case omo star na so we celebrity and nothing is wrong with it. Because they are also trying. Yeah. And now, Obia, only moon and Bia on your star. But when you know what's my bonny dear Sumetia or what TikTok, yeah, oh, star. Because why be Biama 7 previous and was or foul phone, who want to put the was Rama on what? Into why a star, why you're celebrating, nothing is wrong with it. Okay. And there was that pressure where it comes with stardom. And it being a celebrity. TikTok is a bit famous. Baby fire pa. Yeah, no more than it. I really like that part, baby fire pa, because for the past me can come into me for trot shoulder. Every can come home soon. But what put name oh, there was a time I just go baby or my favorite. Now go bene one no ba besia me yonko ba obegina machimpo one frame me no go gina baby the camera see me so one hwe mo ama popia no go bene o very o ne yem kom enti opposite what TikTok na me hwe na say auntie me ma pressure bi meto me so fa me se go bene me sika be so na me trade ya enya because ama popia ye nim no TikTok nti me nkoto enti I want to mama in fact yeah I don't know of others may bread. Yeah, I mean, come on, me bread. And easy. Okay. Because the old person we are in a total compound to me. Sometimes me, I'm a to come and never was 8. And I want to shadow and now number 1. Okay. So that it's me, Bemona, also, yeah, you be a crack. And never be a nut, cadent, time way and normal be an uncle motto. Now call baby. But no way, yeah, no be actually for so. Any pass was in a year and so no one would you do. Obi on number 1 always an about but Kibianka. With my eno. Bianca, my TikTok and I think I'm get the cra. Come with my normal. So shining in a branding and is it worth it? Yes, Mama. Yeah, yo. Yeah. And apart from that, so see what other side you get so you good. Okay. And also so enjoy. Who benefit from it into no. Diana. Se bi nko ye na o se wo fashion sa
mo TikTok say e ade a e betena hoda because ye ni mo bi a wo bi san say adwuma be na o ya full time job or TikToker mo go dey say ade a e betena hoda and say time will come a TikTok be to say any other app
Inti chakon grono kra say we are bibia betwem
okay
yeah inti there was a time na Facebook before one man ni mo power Facebook at no even though it's there but in shada enye gidigidi say TikTok no it me hu ni say bibia betwem eno na mesere me nuanom na mo ye full time TikTok and say ko mo pa bibi so nyenka because a lot of people wan go school oye bibi oye adwuma bi no sade TikTok na account because o kasa wo fa ni full time dia eni mo bi ma be den edumre bi o share no pa na Instagram ma na Facebook ma it is a new ye na obe
okay
bibi for brabo e ka ho I'm not saying that TikTok na nye so any full time I mean ka say nye enya nka me da bia no shara me nye nye bibi wo mu ntina me guso da bia me ye no so eye but bibi ye ka ho
okay komo hwetwe ni nyina ye be ye na ye de ni nyina si ye nhwe personally your stardom as you rightly put it no and your relationship at saying
me and kasa momo de mama yeah people are going more about
bro say say akofo ya na it say o asem you overly exposed nkofo ni mbododo enti ya na celebrities bebre na no omudi nkomo a ohu ni say o me de me ho to abonte in a way no ama affect my relationship in a way ebi account sa pen
oh ebi aka sa pen ebi aka sa pen in a way say ebi on mo a obakra nya sa na obeka o no best start here but later no and then TikTok me person ujai like I just wanted to stop the media because me got to see it you how why jai no ntia waka but I love doing it and apart from TikTok no so as I said now into media I present it's definitely never screen this so it's all because of you you know so we me date into me nya idea me na me to me jai into sana ebitie ebito so tie adwuma na wo ye na se yes so like so witimi share obi a wote dia wo ye na se into fa ba bi no nka say e boy kwa
it's two rates here be man saying 50-50 70-30 good and bad side no
bad side ne man be 70 na mama good side ne be 30 but me dey e na sometimes meet me lucky kakra me obi a wote ma se ha de wo ye na wote ase e wa no shia wo
okay
just then audio
okay na ye share TikTok and so before ye din komo na be kokra no na say free 9 ho ko no bon sa say say ya na ye pon e no mo ye wo ho say nso so say den yo wo hu sa ne ma ne nkofo yiyi o mo ho ne ade no ya na ye sa pressure ne say ebi mo dinkan ja wo mo nti ye pentam ne so so ya kache apunti na o mo ye sa na say obi so style na sa nkofo na futo be na wa adwo mo
afuta me de be mo ne say obi ani ma de chi mu asem anhwe ya bekwa kohia oboafo bi ana ba kohia wukuna na asa weyiri bi na eyiyi hu na wo yiyi ye no enti and I used to say this and me kwada bia me kasa me ade a me de TikTok me say me pese obi serial enti say me followers kura tia bedru one na say me video be ko am obi agu asere a mini problem enti me nua no ma titu me kura me timi ya video no be fa me sound na sam na me kan emfa to ho ba bia mama what the watch the camera go shake the two sides e to idea I guess e go pay me
okay
cause omo bi no omo bi any omo nyina not all of them omo bi it had been too much shake the two camera nim sade na wo gie mame
okay
enti e futu am dem am say mini aba enroro ho ne de e fa nkosi ba bia obetimanya followers 1 million followers 2 million followers but a chine bi no won hwe yi na sa video ba ko pe no asa wo chance kese bi pant the next time mo say munyai ebe hu ate nya roro ho no na be mu bi
ye ko sade o kan say ye ti he ya utimi nya content no ye pesa o my content ba ko na de nkomo
na mo de ko okay and ye nchi we ye sade mesi afa me ho amete he ze ya ne nkrofo bi sade a and na me da me boyfriend there obi ani ho betimi aba no ho no bi fine girl tell me o boyfriend betimi hu me atwan mu ana me o ntwem obeba ho
ya tena say e wo Kent Cap Cafe Shop ye ne ama Pokuaa Memeneda ba olaskini de shadaka me nkwa na bitimi kan bi ne net na say e wo Kent Cap Cafe Shop woni ye di nkomo afa TikTok ene niema e koso ne de wonti ase wo TikTok mu bebre na wa kire ye mu Kent Cap Cafe Shop Kumasi City Mall inside Entiabra cheese burger sandwich cafe anopa breakfast and papa no on maba nti bomodi abra ahoho no pe baby kama e de o matena so a Kent Cap Cafe Shop Kumasi Asokwa baby a City Mall no e won inside e na wo mo so e wa number no e twego e wo screen no e so wo hwe yen e wa Akoma 87.9 FM Akoma TV e wo YouTube meeting ama Serwaah Sarpong ye ma mo anything any shame